Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a new app Reading Plus AI just released. It's designed to process time series documents from your local files. You can download it for free from our GitHub. It's fully open source. This app helps you to understand how documents change over time. You can use it to measure sentiment or opinions across a series of a file, or spot changes in language, tones, or key terms, or track how the content evolves from one version to the next. It's super useful for things like processing FOMC statement, where you might want to see how the language around inflation or employment shifts over time, or even build sentiment indices automatically. Or you can use it to process the active research reports, where it helps you to track how analysts view changes or summarize how the outlook shifts across multiple reports. Or you can use it for contract for legal documents. You can pull all the key terms and clauses and highlight exactly what has been added, removed, or changed between each versions. Let's walk through one quick demo. Here, you can upload your document. I'll upload all the 8 FOMC minutes from 2024. Once they're in, you'll see them listed right here, and you can view, delete, or manage them however you like. On the right side, you will see each document pre-processed, and it will come up with a timestamp and estimated document dates, which may save you from input the date one by one, a one-sentence summary, and a few key points. If the timestamp isn't quite right, no problem, just click and edit it. You can also regenerate the summary if needed. And if you want to look at the original PDF, just click. It opens right in the viewer. Now let's move over to the chat page. Here you can upload a single document and ask questions. For example, you can ask, please summarize this doc in bullet points. You will see the app think for a moment, and then it gives you a clean list with highlights like labor market, inflation, financial conditions, and so on. You can also run analysis across multiple documents. For example, I will say, generate an inflation sentiment index. Now, if we jump to the agent page, you will see the task kicks off. The cool part, these indices are built consistently using the same measurement logic across every document. That means they don't just rely on one-off AI guess. They follow a fixed framework, so you can actually compare results and trust the trend without worrying about the randomness. Now the doc has finished running, we'll be able to see the details. We'll be able to see how the score was generated, including detailed codes and the rationale, as well as some differences that is highlighted, and so you can compare what has been changed over the last doc. And you will also get a very detailed indices that shows how the inflation sentiment has developed over the whole year. It will also provide another type of the agent called the change of the statement. This agent will help you to track the differences for the terms or statement or clauses, how these things have changed over time. So here I started agent and let it run for a little bit. And similarly, when this agent has finished, you'll be able to see answer to your questions, detailed codes, the comparison of the docs over time, as well as the rationales. And you will also have a large summary doc regarding to how the things has evolved with the citation to the original docs. If you click on the citations, it automatically jumps to the original docs. And that's it. With our new apps, you can quickly process complex document series, track how content evolves, and generate consistent, reliable insights, all from your local files and all open source. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the GitHub repos to try it yourself.